Hey guys, welcome back to the High Tech Software Solutions channel. And in the last video, we worked on how to be able to create galleries. And in this video, we will work on how to be able to update our galleries. And one thing I want to say is that I'm really sorry for the poor quality of sound system, and I'm working on it, and hopefully it will get better very soon. So before we start, I will say, if you guys didn't have subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So let's start. First of all, we need to log into our system. And the password is password. Okay, we were able to create galleries, and we also created our links for our edit gallery and delete gallery, and our routes were also created in the last video. And in this video we will work on how to edit our galleries. Let's jump to code. I already have opened my project in code editor. So first we need to open our view, which is in views, galleries, and show gallery. As you can see, this is our edit link, and the route is also declared, and the ID is also passed. So let's go to our routes. As you can see, this is our edit route, and we have pointed it to the gallery controller and gallery edit method. So let's go to our gallery controller, which is in HTTP controllers and gallery controller. So first let's create our edit method, and for that we can say public function gallery edit, and the ID is coming. So in here, first we need to find our ID in the database, and for that we can say gallery equals to our gallery model column find what our ID. And now we want to pass the information to the view. For that we can say return view, and the view should be in galleries folder, and we should name it gallery edit view. So let's create our view in our galleries folder, gallery edit.blade.php, and let's copy the form from our create view, close it and paste it. And in here we want to say edit gallery, and the route should go to gallery update, and we should also pass our ID that is coming from the method. And the other thing, we need our title, and we need our value. For that we can say double brackets gallery arrow title, and we also need our file input. And for update, one thing is important, guys. If we don't want to edit our file, we only want to edit our title or description, so we need to send the old cover name to the database. So for that we need an input field with type of heading, and we should give it a value of gallery arrow cover, and its name should be old underscore cover. For description we can say double brackets gallery arrow description, and let's also change the value of the button. For that we can say update gallery. So our view has been created. Now let's go and create this route for our update. For that we can go to web, and after our edit we want to say route : post, we should go to galleries / update / our id, comma, our gallery controller and our gallery update method. We should also declare our name for it, which should be gallery update. Terminate it. And now let's go to our controller and create the update method. So for that we can say public function gallery update our id, and we also want our request because the data is coming from the form. For that we can say request $request comma id or brackets. So first of all we need to mark our gallery in the database with our id, and for that we can say gallery equals to our gallery model : find our id. After this let's put our title and description fields first. For that we can say gallery arrow title equals to request that is coming from the form arrow title, and after our title we need our description. For that we can say gallery description equals to request arrow description. So now we want to update our cover field, and for our cover field let's first grab our cover name from the database, and we want to store it in a variable called gallery cover equals to our gallery arrow cover. Now after this we want to check if a file has been submitted into an input or else it is not, and for that we can say if request arrow has file and the field name is cover. We want to update the cover field in the database, and if not we want to send the old cover to the database, and for that we can say gallery arrow cover equals to request arrow old _cover. This is the hidden input field that we described in our form. So let's work on our update cover. First of all, before updating the database field, we need to unlink the old file from our galleries folder, which is located in our publics folder. As you can see, this is our galleries cover. So first we need to delete our file from the folder, then we want to delete it from the database, and for that we can say unlink public path _path, and our path is galleries / and now we want to concatenate it with our gallery cover name that we grabbed from the database. After deleting the file from the folder, now we want to update our new file to the database, and for that we need to say cover equals to request arrow file and the field name is cover. After that we need to rename it, but before renaming it we need to grab the extension of our file, and we want to store it in cover _extension equals to cover arrow get client original extension. Now we want to rename our file to the new name, and we want to store it in cover _name equals to, we want the name to be random from 1 2 3 4 5 6 to 6 nines. And after this we want to concatenate it with our extension underscore ext. Okay, now we want to describe our path for the file, and for that we can say cover underscore path equals to our public path and our galleries folder slash. Now we want to send our file to the described path, and for that we can say cover arrow move, and first we need our path, which is cover underscore path, and after that we need our new name for the file, which is cover underscore name. So this is all done, and one thing more, that we also want our file to be saved in the database, and for that we can say gallery arrow cover equals to our new file name, which is cover name. So finally we want to save all the data to the database, and for that we can say gallery arrow save. And after saving data we want to return our redirect arrow our route, which is gallery show, and we want the specific gallery, and for that we can use our ID, which is coming in the method at the top. As you can see, our ID is coming in here. So I think this is all the code we need for update. Let's try. If I refresh, and let's go and edit our gallery. Okay, undefined variable gallery. Oh, we didn't pass our information to the view, and so for that we can say compact, and we want our gallery variable. Let's refresh. So this is working fine. Let's change first our title, and we can give it the name of title, and also let's change this, we can say updated. Let's update our gallery. As you can see, the fields are changed. This is our title for the gallery, and this is our description. And now let's also check our file in the database, because we didn't updated our file, so it should be there. And if we check our folder, it is already here because we didn't update our file. Go to our galleries database, and our galleries table. As you can see, the cover field hasn't changed. Let's also change our cover for the gallery. If we change only our cover, we want this balloons update gallery. As you can see, our cover has changed, and if we refresh our database, the cover field is also changed. And let's also check our galleries folder. As you can see, the old file has been deleted and the new file has been added to the folder. So guys, this was all for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.